Artificial intelligence goes for beginner by knowledge and information. In this video we are discussing about image classification, part 3. Another area where image classification is seeing growth is in the field of social media and content moderation. As the amount of user-generated content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube continues to grow, automated tools like image classification are becoming increasingly important for identifying and removing inappropriate or harmful content. For example, image classification can be used to identify hate speech, nudity, or violent content, allowing social media platforms to remove it more quickly and efficiently. In addition to these specific use cases, image classification is also playing an important role in advancing the field of artificial intelligence more broadly. As researchers continue to develop new and more advanced image classification models, they are pushing the boundaries of what is possible in machine learning, and paving the way for new and innovative applications of this technology. While image classification technology holds a lot of promise, it is important to be aware of its limitations and potential downsides. Some of the challenges and concerns associated with image classification include: 1. Bias. Image classification models can be biased in a number of ways, depending on the training data used to build them. For example, if a model is trained on data that is predominantly male or white, it may be less accurate when applied to other demographics. This can have serious consequences in areas like law enforcement, where biased models could result in unfair treatment of certain groups. 2. Privacy. Image classification can raise significant privacy concerns, particularly when used for facial recognition or other forms of surveillance. Critics argue that these technologies could be used to monitor and track individuals without their knowledge or consent, potentially infringing on their privacy rights. 3. Accuracy. While image classification models have made significant advances in recent years, they are still not perfect. In some cases, models may struggle to accurately classify images, particularly when presented with novel or ambiguous examples. This can lead to errors and inaccuracies, which can have serious consequences in certain applications. This can include involving diverse stakeholders in the development process, including experts in ethics and privacy. 4. Interpretability. The inner workings of image classification models can be complex and difficult to understand, even for experts in the field. This can make it challenging to identify and address potential biases or errors, and can limit the ability of users to understand and interpret the decisions made by these models. 5. Ethical concerns. There are a number of ethical concerns associated with the use of image classification technology, particularly in sensitive areas like law enforcement or national security. For example, the use of facial recognition technology by police departments has been criticized as an invasion of privacy and a potential threat to civil liberties. Overall, image classification is an essential task in computer vision and has various practical applications in different industries. Image classification is a complex task that requires expertise in machine learning, computer vision, and data science. It has numerous practical applications in fields such as healthcare, security, and entertainment, and is a rapidly evolving field with ongoing research and development. Image classification is a fundamental task in computer vision with numerous real-world applications. As machine learning techniques continue to improve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and accurate image classification systems in the future. Image classification is a rapidly evolving field, and ongoing research is focused on improving accuracy, efficiency, and interpretability. As the field continues to develop, we can expect to see even more sophisticated image classification systems with a wide range of practical applications. These emerging trends in image classification are expected to have a significant impact on the field in the coming years. Developers and users should strive to ensure that these technologies are used in a responsible and ethical manner, with appropriate safeguards in place to address potential biases, privacy concerns, and other ethical issues. By taking a proactive approach to addressing the ethical implications of image classification, developers and users can help ensure that these technologies are used in a responsible and ethical manner, while still realizing their potential to improve many aspects of our lives. While image classification technology has made significant strides in recent years, it still requires significant resources and expertise to implement effectively. Developers and users should carefully consider these practical considerations when deciding whether to invest in image classification technology, and should seek out expert guidance where necessary to ensure that their efforts are successful. The potential applications of image classification technology are vast and varied, with the potential to improve many different aspects of our lives. As the technology continues to advance and become more accessible, we can expect to see even more innovative use cases emerge in the years to come. Image classification is a powerful and versatile technology with a wide range of applications in many different industries. As the technology continues to advance and become more accessible, we can expect to see even more innovative use cases emerge in the years to come. While image classification technology holds a lot of promise, it is important to be aware of these challenges and concerns when considering its use in different applications. Developers and users should work to ensure that these technologies are used ethically and responsibly, and that their potential downsides are carefully considered and addressed. In next video, we will discuss about face recognition. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.